Open the damn door.
Oh, hey, cousins. Come on in. Welcome to my crib. So as soon as you walk in, you know we got the nice living space where you can kick back with your friends, watch a little TV, chill out on the couch, take big naps, you know. That's what I like to do when I ain't doing nothing, just chill, watch a little TV, you know. But anyways, over here we have our nice dining section where we like to eat good meals, okay? Home cooked meals. And we have this nice accent wall. This is my favorite part right here. Little decoration, and then over here is my favorite place to be. It's the kitchen. So of course you got our espresso countertops, drawers or whatever. We have our refrigerator. We don't have nothing in it right now because I need to go grocery shopping, but got a few drinks up in here. But yeah, I like to shift it up, you know, for me and my boo thing, but you know, do my thing. So next I'm gonna show you, I really shouldn't be showing you this because it's a little private, you know what I mean? So, but since we family, I'm gonna show you anyway. So this is my room. You know, it's nice and cozy in here. I got my closet, nice walk-in closet. Love it. This is my favorite part of the room, is the closet. So, of course, the bed looks all nice and comfy. Got a little accent chair here in case I want to just chill, rest my eyes, or ease my mind after a long day. Then over here to the bathroom where I like to wash my ass. You know, nice full size shower, walk-in shower. Dual sinks, and of course the toilet. So now I'm gonna take you outside.
Body tea.
Body tea. Oh, and this is the guest bathroom because they will not be funking up my bathroom. I'll turn it vent on for y'all. So we're gonna come through here. Make sure you watch your step now. Don't hurt yourself because I ain't got no money for y'all. So this is the laundry space. You know, you got our washer, our dryer. So we can wash our clothes, some cleaning stuff. Then we're gonna take a look outside. This is our balcony. We got us a little table in case we want to chill outside, play some cards, you know, just kick back a little bit. And you know, look at the view. Just take in the view, y'all. The view is beautiful. Yeah. Mama, we made it, you know. We came a long way. I got my dream home. But yeah, y'all ain't gotta go home though. But y'all gotta get the hell up out of here. Okay, so I will see y'all next time.